Picture me rolling, they can't take it. You know we all in till we make it. Stay down till we up, it's temptation. Nah, nigga running through these different faces. Picture me rolling, they can't take it. You know we all in till we make it. Stay down till we up, it's temptation. Nah, nigga running through these different faces. Ay, I know they hate it from the get-go. Still I stand 10 toes and rip these.
Alright, just a quick look at the Air Max 97s that restocked last week on the sneakers app. I was able to pick them up. Air Max 97 OG Quick Strike size 9. Metallic gold, black and white. They dropped at 7 a.m. on the 17th. I got on the app at like 6:55, had all my information entered. I hit buy. It put me in the line, and then a couple seconds later it said got them. So I was able to get them off the app. You can see right here. Just a quick look at them. You see you got the white midsole, black at the bottom, got that gold Nike swoosh, and like the gold lace is like a different gold from the shoe. To me, I think that makes it look better. And actually, I'm already wearing these, put these on today. See, I got the Vegas night shirt on. We're about to get that Stanley Cup this year. I don't even watch hockey, but you know, the city going crazy right now. The team winning. First year, team already going to the Stanley Cup. That's crazy. Just a quick look at both shoes. Like I said, metallic gold, white midsole, black bottom. And you see my previous video, like I said, I don't really wear Air Max 97s, but like this color I try to get. These came out before the camo ones, and I missed out on them, and I wasn't paying resale. So I was able to get these off the sneakers app for retail. So, you know, after these, I'm pretty much done with 97s, because the camo pair I got those because those was crazy. These gold ones crazy. And then that's pretty much it. I don't really wear 97s. I got a collection vid coming soon. I just got to get all the boxes out. It's just a lot of work to do the whole collection vid, because I got like 40, I believe like 40 or 50 pairs of shoes. But I'm going to get that out. I'm going to get back on YouTube, sneaker pickup, sneaker vlogs. And if you originally subscribe to the channel because of the car vids coming soon. I'm getting a scat pack in the next month or two. Been going back and forth with the dealership. I'm not going to wait on 2019. I'm just going to get a 2018 because they like the same thing. I'm going to get a better deal on that one anyway. But anyway, this video is mainly about the shoes. Just showing you a quick look. And that's pretty much it. I got the Onfeet coming right after this.
Still I stand 10 toes and rip these instrumentals. I'm just trying to see just what they hit for, cause I can't be that nigga to get stretched like a limo. Yeah, no, I had to take a different route. Swear I told all of my niggas we gon' make it out. For that bread, them niggas pull up to your house. He be talking on the net, see me speaking now. I don't speak on nothing I don't know about. I was broke, ain't nobody help me out. Now I'm pulling up in new shit, no more hand-me-downs. Niggas acting like I owe them, but they was around. 50s and them hundreds, know I love to count. Cause I remember days they tried to count me out. If he running up, we gon' leave him packy out. I can't quit until I'm playing with 100,000. Picture me rolling, they can't take it. You know we all in till we make it. Stay down till we up, it's temptation. Nah, nigga running through these different faces. Picture me rolling, they can't take it. You know we all in till we make it. Stay down till we up, it's temptation. Nah, nigga running through these different faces. Staying down till we up, need my pocket stuff. Niggas acting like they on that, but they know what's up. Bounce out with that glizzy, but I keep it tucked. Cause I was taught don't show that unless you finna bust. These niggas, they be sneaking, never speaking up. Okay, cancel with the stick, it's gon' eat him up. No, I love that fast money, I can't get enough. Cause I ain't had no option when the shit was rough. Why you capping, you ain't never got it out the mud. You ain't never went hungry tryna double up. Really live it, if I write it, I can't make this up. And that's word to all you little niggas playing tough. I be on the move like I'm in a rush. But just some years ago, I was on the bus. Then I get too close, all my niggas cut. They don't wanna see me win, but this is a must. Picture me rolling, they can't take it. You know we all in till we make it. Stay down till we up, it's temptation. Nah, nigga running through these different faces. Picture me rolling, they can't take it. You know we all in till we make it. Stay down till we up.